I feel bad for what's going to happen to Texas A&M when they go down to Alabama this year. Them boys in trouble. So all I'm trying to say to you is this. I understand what you're talking about, but you're nitpicking, Paul Finebaum. You're nitpicking. Nick Saban is great. Okay, he's phenomenal. He's the greatest coach in the history of college football. And for you to be thinking about, just be quiet, don't say anything. It's not like he's making excuses. He's giving you facts because he corrects those errors the next time you see him. And that's exactly what he's going to do this upcoming season.
Stephen, I don't know what kind of medication they gave you for that surgery, but you've gone absolutely crazy. Come on, slow down a second. What? You're accusing me of nitpicking, and you just made excuses for Alabama losing the national championship game?
I said it the night they lost.
That's even ridiculous by your standards.
I said it the night they lost. You saw what they did to Georgia in the SEC championship game, right? You saw that? And they had got him again. But injuries play a role. Injuries play a role. We understand what happened.
Yeah.
Hey, I mean, what about Georgia, Stephen? They had plenty of injuries. They were missing key players. They were playing a walk-on as quarterback in Stetson Bennett. I mean, the Heisman favorite couldn't even cut it.
Come on, Stephen A. They didn't pull him off the streets.
You can play that game across the board.
Thanks for watching ESPN on YouTube. For live streaming, sports, and premium content, subscribe to ESPN+.